Sam, what happened? What did you do? What did you do, sweetie? You got mommy's tape? Now you're trapped? Well, can you take it off? Yeah, you take it off.
That's what he means.
That's what he means? Why don't you try to take it off, Sam?
Can Sam take it off?
What's
Rolling around.
Can I see? Let me see what you've done here. No, not like that. We're going to look at your wrist. Oh, my goodness. Look at that. Oh, well. Should we cut your arm off then? No?
In heaven.
No. Sammy, do you want me to cut your hand off?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Would that help? Okay, Daddy, get the knife.
Okay.
Oh, scissors. We're going to cut his hand off. Ready?
Hold still.
Oh, that's not his hand. What do you say to Daddy?
Thank you.
You're welcome.